There is no war on drugs, because you can't have a war on inanimate objects. There is only a war on drug addicts, which means we are warring on the most abused and vulnerable segments of our society. There is a general myth that drugs in themselves are addictive. In fact, the war on drugs is predicated on the idea that if you interdict the source of drugs, you can deal with addiction that way. Now, if you understand addiction in the broader sense, we see that nothing in itself is addictive. No substance, no drug is by itself addictive, and no behaviour is by itself addictive. Many people can go shopping without becoming shopaholics. Not everyone becomes a food addict. Not everyone who drinks a glass of wine becomes an alcoholic. So the real issue is what makes people susceptible, because it's the combination of a susceptible individual and the potentially addictive substance or behaviour that actually then makes for the full flowering of addiction. In short, it's not the drug that's addictive, it's the question of the susceptibility of the individuals being addicted to a particular substance or behaviour. If we wish to understand what then makes some people susceptible, we actually have to look at the life experience. The old idea, although it's old but it's still broadly held, that addictions are due to some genetic cause is simply scientifically untenable. What the case is actually is that certain life experiences make people susceptible. Life experiences that not only shape the person's personality and psychological needs, but also their very brains in certain ways. And that process begins in utero.